Does your Ecovacs T8 Plus robot vacuum prefer spinning in circles rather than cleaning your floors? Are you tired of seeing that annoying error pop up? Need a helping hand to get it back on track? Don't worry, we've got your back. We'll show you how we tackled this problem and brought it back to life. A customer brought in their Ecovacs T8 Plus robot vacuum, complaining it couldn't operate properly. The robot could turn on, but as soon as it did, it started displaying a circle error and, well, it just couldn't move properly. Pretty frustrating, right? We knew something was up. We dived in, running tests. And voila, it was clear. The left and right wheels were faulty. Turns out, they were faulty and not spinning like they should. Imagine trying to run a marathon on 2 flat tires. That's exactly what this robot vacuum was going through. To get this robot back on track, we recommended replacing both the left and right wheels. But wait, there's more! Since this Ecovacs T8 Plus robot vacuum is quite old, we also suggested a deep cleaning service to restore its performance to like new condition. After the customer agrees with our recommendations, we start repairing and servicing. Next, we perform unit tests to check if the robot vacuum is working properly without any problems at all. And voila! After replacing the wheels and giving it a deep clean, your Ecovacs T8 Plus robot vacuum is back to its old self. No more errant circles or frustrating error messages, just smooth, efficient cleaning. We sent back robots to customers and they were satisfied with the performance. So it is now working at its best. Is your robot vacuum acting out? Contact us today, and we'll have your robot vacuum like a champ in no time.